on. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome. Welcome. Hey, Tylak. Welcome, Tylak. Hey, bud. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome, bud. All right, guys. Let's go ahead. Go over the markets. Up one day, down the next. All right. So we're up today 300 points on the Dow. NASDAQ was up. Russell was up. S&P, right, all up. Bitcoin is up, but remember, Bitcoin is now at 59,000. All right, so it's below our 64,000 mark, and we do have a sell short signal on Bitcoin. All right, so let's take a look here. Not a sell signal, a sell short signal. All right, on the daily time frame here, sell short signal on Bitcoin. Okay, so we are out of Bitcoin long on the daily time frame. All right, so that's important to know there. And just remember, we are trading below a big, hey Solomon, welcome, a big resistance here. So we are now trading below that resistance. Okay, next support, all right, if it stays below resistance, all right, next support area is about 46, 45. I think on the way up, 45 was a big number. So 45, if it doesn't hold, now we have a long way to get, right, from from 59 to 45. But just know that's where we have the next support area. After that, next support is 30,000. We have a big support area right here at 30,000. We can actually count this right here also. All right, so just keep that in mind. And we do have a sell signal here, but in addition to that, a sell short signal. Hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony, welcome. All right. Let's take a look at the dollar. All right, we've got some news on the dollar index. All right, so the dollar index, guys, is failing. All right, failing to break above resistance. So we don't need this anymore. All right, so we have a big white candle that came in today, okay, on the dollar index. That will affect dollar long positions, okay, dollar long positions. So we'll spend some time on that this evening, okay. Next area here, now we don't have any red candles yet, so all right, still holding a buy signal here, but this is not good. All right, really failed right here, really failed to break above resistance and hold. So that's a concern. Okay, just like we had here, we could see sellers come on in and bring that price lower. Next support area, if it starts to break down, next support area, I'm trading at 105 right now. Next support area right in the middle here, 103, and then down here 101, almost 102. All right, but that's the concern right here. Didn't hold, didn't break. Amazing, right? Notice how they're holding, guys. They held that resistance. All right, that's not good. That's not good here for the dollar. Okay. All right. Our US 30 traders. There was a long signal that came in right here. Now, we didn't call this one. All right. Let's see here. So if you guys want to trade this one, I would wait. You might want to wait. Let it settle. Right now, the buy signal is here. So this isn't too far from the buy signal. This is on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, but I would say wait during the New York session, see how it develops, right? If it holds above resistance, and if the futures are up, right, this might be a trade here. We'll let you guys know. Okay, right here, right, we have support down here, so it held support. Oh, I moved this. All right, so it held support right here. Let's bring this down. Right here. All right, held support there. All right, and if we get buying tomorrow, guys, guess what? It could get above that moving average here. We'll get a green candle, and all of a sudden we're testing resistance up here. All right, so be fluid with this market. All right, we don't have any buy signals yet. All right, but it is trying to move higher. All right, support is failing so far. All right, on the indexes, Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq. Okay, so uh I wanted to look at a 240, but I don't think a 240 will make a difference. Okay, if we start getting green candles tomorrow or next week, we might move it to the 240-minute time frame. All right, volatility is coming down. All right, VIX is coming down. So VIX is at 1468 right now, guys. All right, 1468. That's the VIX. So volatility is coming down. This market's trying to move higher. Sectors about the same. Consumer staples up. Utilities are up. All right. But I'm sure the chart will not reflect that. Okay. All right. All right. Current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper on the 240-minute time frame. Let's go through those. Yesterday was very difficult trading. I think market settled a bit today, which is good. All right, so these dollar pairs, let's take a look at them. All right, USD, SEK, buy signal here. We know what's going with the dollar index. Sell signal here, close this trade, please, and red candles. All right, USD, SEK. USD CAD, buy signal here. All right. Red candle, no sell signal, close this trade, please. Okay. I know it's difficult trading out there. USDN, okay. Buy signal here on the break of resistance. Broke support, red candle here. Close that trade, please. So clean things up. And this could go much lower with the dollar index, right? Not holding resistance. Dollar Swiss, buy signal here, right? Red candle, close the trade, please. Okay. We might look for shorts, but boy, we have to be careful because these, like I said, right? The market's up big today, could be down big tomorrow, and everything will switch. All of a sudden, the dollar, right? Dollar index here, right? If the market is up, if market is down big tomorrow, we could see, right? That dollar index, it could break through that resistance. We've seen it before in one day, and all of a sudden, these dollar pairs are moving again. So just be flexible. What we might want to do also is trade the smaller time frames, all right, like the 60-minute time frame rather than the 240. Okay, right? Remember, the 240 is a bit slower. Okay, so you can bring in your smaller time frames for right now. Okay, get out quicker. So USD CHF out of that trade here. Aussie New Zealand made a move. All right, so Aussie New Zealand, good trade going here. Buy signal was right here, right here. Nice move right here. Previous trade did extremely well, and it's good to see. That's reaccumulation. Good to see this trade moving higher. New support and resistance, and they're yellow. That's a good sign. Getting away from the purple. Good sign there. We need to break through that near-term resistance right here to move higher. Okay. Pound New Zealand. Let's see what that did. All right. Buy signal here failed to break resistance. Red candle. We should be out of that trade. Pound New Zealand. Pound CAD. Buy signal here. White candles. Buy signal was here. I'm sorry. Yeah. White candles here. Failing to hold above resistance. And this is big resistance here, guys. Here, all of this here. Here, and it's failing to get through that resistance. Buy signal was here. Close this trade, please. Pound CAD. We're hoping that the pound pairs would make a move. Pound PLN, buy signal here. Holding firm here. Green candle. All right. I would say for right now, you might want to hold it. It's holding its trend line here. If that breaks through, all right. Uh, if it breaks through just a little bit, I would say close that trade. Even if you get a white candle, close it. Okay. We'll leave it for now. And Swiss, boy, these trades are really not breaking out. All right. Pound Swiss resistance is here, 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 failed, just like they did here. All right. So failed. Buy signal here, red candle, sell signal. So pound Swiss, close it also. Okay. Tough trading this week. Very tough trading. Okay. All right. So if you guys are having a tough time, it's not you, it's just the market. Okay. If you're following the process, um, it's not you, just the market. They're failing. All right. So Euro ZAR short, it's the only short we have right now. All right. So Euro ZAR short is still holding firm. Sell short signal here, broke support here. And purple support and resistance, that's good. Let's take a look at, we're supposed to take a look at this, the next target last night. Okay, let's see here. So on the daily time frame, we could bring this down right about here. All right, so it looks like it's breaking support on the daily time frame here. So that could go much lower. Yeah, look at that. All right, so if we get a clean break lower, it could suddenly go lower. That's on the daily. Take a quick look at the weekly. All right, on the weekly, oh, this could be a good short. Look here, failing resistance here. Look here. All right, right here. Right, red candle came in today. All right, decent support here. Right, and it's trading below that moving average, right? We don't focus on that too much, but that will help when we look at everything else, okay? And it could do something like this here, okay? Support, bigger support, support here, and then support here. So that's on the weekly too. So let's bring it back to the 240. Okay, so it could move lower. That's Euro ZAR, Euro ZAR. All right. That's the only short we've got. Yeah. We look for dollar shorts, but boy, gotta be careful. Um, Monster, Forex dominator, long positions. All right, Swiss yen buy signal was here. All right, failed to hold resistance. All right, failed to hold resistance. Came in today, red candle came in right here. All right, we were hoping this one would hold that trend line, red candle, close the trade. All right. Trade lightly here, guys. Just trade lightly until we get some better direction. Okay. HKD JPY. Buy signal is here. White candle here. I want to take a look at the other ones. Yeah, they're all failing. All right. So HKD JPY. All right. Buy signal is here. Red candle. I mean, white candles here. Okay, but guess what? I don't think it will hold. Support is right here. Previous resistance becomes support. That's dangerous there. Okay, and so it's up right now. Close the trade. HKD JPY. NZD JPY. Buy signal here. White candles, right? Failing to hold resistance right here. White candles. The now, boy, with the yen pairs, with the market moving higher, we could see the yen pairs move higher. But guys, if we get selling tomorrow, all right, that could break this trend line, and So just be on the safe side. Close this for now. Okay. If we were solid in some good trends, this pullback, we could hold it, right? Right. Good chance buyers could come in, but um, I have no idea what this market's gonna do right now. SGD JPY buy signal here, pullback, hold in here. Okay. We'll close this for now also. All right. Now there's a good chance buyers could come back in. Let's see here. Oh boy. Um, Buy signal here. We'll hold this one. SGD JPY and dollar yen. Dollar might get some pressure on the dollar index. Okay, it's holding right here. Right here. We can see it. It's hard to see, but that's the current candle. Looks like it wants to break that support. All right. If it gets down here, that's gonna close. So close it. USD JPY. All right. Let's take a look at. All right. SGD, close that trade also. All right. So we're out of all of the yen pairs. Okay. All of the yen pairs. With these here, if we get a green candle, if we get a green candle on these, we might um, uh, offer an alert to get back in. We'll see. Okay. Just be on the safe side with these. USD MXN. All right. USD MXN. That's dollar. All right. It's holding right now. Right. So we can see here, I'm really struggling to hold right here. So we'll hold it for now. Right. It's not collapsing. USD MXN. USDN. Okay. All right. This one is holding for now. Buy signal here. All right, buy signal here. And we're looking for it to break through that resistance. So USD and okay, not bad. All green candles. Yeah, a bit of a pullback here. Buy signal here, but holding firm. We can wait on that one. USD and okay. USD SEK. All right, buy signal here. Little pullback, still holding resistance here. If anyone is in this, you might want to, not a bad idea to take some profits, okay, given what the dollar index is doing. All right, USD SGD, okay, let's move this. All right, we can move this here, okay, and this here. Okay, buy signal here. All right, we have really good resistance here. See here? All right, buy signal here. White candle here, right at support, right at that entry there. Okay. All right. This could come on down. Okay. Purple support and resistance. And we know what's going on with the dollar index. Absolutely, we could get a bounce. But guess what? Buy signal was here. Here we are. Close the trade. Okay. At this point, they've got to be almost perfect to hold. Okay. If we get continued buying, if buyers come in strong tomorrow, okay, we could see that dollar index really come on down. Okay. And so we could see that, right? That next candle be a red candle, right? A sell signal to close that buy, and all of a sudden we're heading back down. That's how tricky it is right now. Okay. And is the Dow up? Is this real? Oh. So yeah, the market Dow is up. If this is real, 200 points in the futures market, okay? And the dollar is down. So, all right. Okay. So it's a difficult market. It's challenging, okay? All right, stock boss, let's take a look at equities. So don't go heavy. Now is not the time to go heavy in this market, okay? Be selective. Yeah, they're not breaking out. All right, stock boss, CRK, that's energy, that's holding firm. IMPP, energy, that's holding. Basic materials here. ORGN got a pop today. All right, Anthony, if you're still in this, you got a good pop today. ORGN buy signal here. This was tough holding through here. All right, holding through here. And nice break. We were hoping to get a break past this resistance here. All right, that's a good break there. That buy signal. Are you in? Oh, good job, Anthony. Good job, bud. All right, so that buy signal here. So that's good news. We need some good news. All right, so ORGN buy signal here retraced. That buy signal was 69 cents. Now it's at 99. That's a big, nice big candle here. Okay, so we could see some follow through there. Okay, an area of concern. Well, not a concern. If it breaks through, see that gap down here? See that gap down, guys? So if it breaks through, so it's getting past resistance here. So we can move this up here. Next resistance, now we have higher resistance up here, but all right. Next resistance is at about 150. All right. So a buck 50. If it can get past that, we could see it really fill in that gap. Okay. All right. So this could be a good trade, and that's energy, right? Energy. Okay. Okay, Anthony, you reduced. Yeah, it hurts when we reduce shares, right? And then it, right, takes off. Happens a lot, right? No big deal. No big deal. Okay, good trade. Good trade. All right, PUMP pump. All right, pump looks good, guys. Pump made a big move yesterday. I think earnings came out on it. Big move. Buy signal was here. All right. A bit of a pullback, but held today. And that's all we need. We just need them to hold and continue to move higher. Okay. PUMP, and that's energy. SSRM, that's holding here, basic material. And VTRN. Now, we said we would let this go because it's just nothing is happening here. But boy, this, and that's energy, and this is encouraging. So with what ORGN did, right, we'll hold on to this one. Hopefully that will help. Okay, so it's just consolidating. It's holding right here. All right, support is all the way down here, so still good. We'll hold it for now. Okay, now bull master, we've got two in bull master. Okay, so JXN. All right, good trade going here. That's financial, only financial. And HCC, that is energy. I would say, let's do this. We got a big candle here. So it's right, resistance is right here now. Okay, so we need that trade to get above that resistance. Okay, get a white candle, close the trade. Okay, so right here, right, filling resistance. Here's your trend line, and it's right here. Doesn't have to be perfect, and it's right on that moving average. So we need a bounce of this moving average. Now it's energy. So if this is if it's energy, markets up, that's a concern. All right, that means traders are really paying attention to that resistance there. Okay, and an up market and its energy, right? We should have this candle here. Today's price action should have broken through that resistance. Okay, so it didn't do that, so that's a concern. Keep an eye on that. Okay, all right. Quick look at Stock Boss, Bullmaster, and then Monster Scalper. We're right on time here. Those ETFs, shorts ETFs, I'm sure we'll take a quick look at those because I'm sure those reversed a bit. Those short ETFs with the market up. All right, so which one? DOG. All right, that's your Dow short. It held. All right, surprisingly, it's holding. All right, so buy signal here. All right, it's holding. That's the Dow short. All right, DBE, is that the Russell? No, that's energy. Oh, okay, that closed. All right, so that's your energy index here. All right, buy signal here, broke support, sell signal, red candle, will close that. DBE, that's energy. That's surprising there. Commodity index, the commodity index also closed. So what's going on there? Buy signal here, all right, was right at 22.57, close to the hit support here. Your support line, sell signal, red candles, close that trade. Okay, so that's not good for commodities, though. Okay, that's not good there. All right, so DOG, that's holding. The Russell short. Let's see here. Buy signal here, right at support here, white candle here. All right, market's trying to move higher. We'll close this. Okay. The Dow short, we'll keep it for now. It was down to it's holding. It's trying to hold here. Let's move this. But I don't think we have any traders trading this. If you are, just keep an eye on it. Okay, so we're gonna higher highs, higher lows right here, mainly higher lows right here. Got to get past that resistance right here. Okay, now like I said, we could get sellers could come in tomorrow or next week, and all of a sudden, right, this market is coming down again. All right, we're not in. Right now, we're not bullish or really bearish right now, right? But more, I would say, bearish than bullish. Okay. We do have sell short signals on the indexes. Okay. All right. Stock boss, bull master. Let's just run those. I'm sure they're up. All right. So stock boss, heat seeker. Let's run it here. All right. So 42. Basic materials. We've got that's gone. And ORGN, we're in that one already. No energy. Something is going on with energy. Let's take a quick look at crude oil. See where it's trading at. Something is going on with energy here. Crude oil, crude oil. All right, USO. All right, so we have a sell signal on USO. That's crude oil. Energy here. Yeah. Uh, all right. Energy got sell signals, guys, in the futures market and the ETF, all around sell signal. Look here. So got to be careful with energy. It's coming back down. So those energy stocks, um, if they're not firm, be careful. Bull master, let's see here. Bull master. All right, we've got 43 in bull master. Okay. Basic materials here. And look here, no energy. No energy. Healthcare keeps coming up. We might start taking a look at healthcare, guys, next week. There is definitely, look at this. Healthcare, all right, has taken over. So we might, and that's been happening, slowly happening, more healthcare. In here, Stock Boss, we have some healthcare. So I'll make a note next week. But it looks like energy, guys, energy commodities, they might be getting out of those. Okay. So trade like this one here, ORGN, just hold that accordingly. Okay. Anthony, it might not be a bad idea like you did, trimming that position. Okay. All right. All right. Monster scalper, and then we'll be done. All right. Monster scalper, guys. We've got some long trades. All right. So Aussie, New Zealand, you guys know that's long there. All right. Another trade, Aussie dollar. Okay. Aussie dollar is setting up. Now we don't have on the 60-minute, looks good for a trade. Okay. On the 240, waiting for a buy signal. Okay. Waiting for a buy signal on the 240. All right. Now, you get that buy signal, it will be up in this area here. Okay. And the hope is to break to that resistance there. Now, Aussie, New Zealand, all right, has gotten through. Okay. It's gotten through. So hopefully Aussie dollar get through. And now this is the inverse. Aussie dollar is the inverse of the dollar pair. So as the dollar index, if it moves lower, Aussie dollar will move higher. Okay. We just need a buy signal. On the 60, it looks good. Okay. To trade. All right. Aussie Swiss, all we waiting for is a break. Now, this is an ideal trade. I know it's high in the markup phase. Okay. But that buy signal will come in on a break of that resistance, which is good. All right. Because sometimes what we do is we'll get in on that buy signal. That buy signal might come in like this one low, and then it's trying to break. This one here, right? To get a buy signal, it will have to break through that resistance. Okay, so you might get a nice big candle breaking past the sellers here with a buy signal. Those are good. Okay, you might get a bit of a pullback. I want to, might wait for that pullback, that test, that retest. All right, and then move higher. But setting up really nice here. Okay, setting up really nice. That's Aussie Swiss. And then Aussie CAD, all right, buy signal is here already with Aussie CAD. Here is your markdown phase, a decent trade going here. So those Aussie pairs are doing well long. You guys are looking for a trade. You might want to, right? If you don't want to do this 4-hour, you could look for opportunities on the 60-minute. But with everything now, just trade lightly. Be careful. Okay. All right. So it's breaking resistance here, buy signal here. Okay. New Zealand dollar will also follow. No buy signal yet, though. You could get a buy signal on a break of resistance right here. Okay, right about here, get a buy signal. New Zealand Swiss. Okay, nothing here. New Zealand CAD. All right, nothing here yet. All right, you could get a buy signal on a break of resistance here. Okay, the yen pairs, they're giving some signals to go short. Okay, but I'll just be careful. ZAR yen. All right, dollar yen. Okay, now the dollar yen, this might be a descent trade. Okay, because of the dollar pairs are moving lower. We'll call this one, and it's not a bad, it hasn't gone too far yet, and it is high in the markup phase. So this is distribution, right? Now it's in the markdown phase. Okay, so all right, but just know that any of these trades can move. Like I said, we know the environment here, so they can change on us quickly here. All right, target would be about down here. So USD JPY. All right, short in Monster Scalper. Okay, trade lightly. TRY JPY, nothing here. SGD JPY. Boy, if the dollar index, guys, if the dollar index continue to move down, these shorts might do better in the dollar, and oh, it's just great short here. No risk. This could break through. I mean, the target is right here. But guys, if we get more buying, these yen pairs can totally move. So I hit HKD JPY. That might be a decent one here. Now, what you guys might want to do, we'll show them here on the 240. What you might want to do is bring in the 60 to get out sooner there. I don't think the dollar pairs are quite ready yet to go short. But we've seen it, sometimes where the yen pairs and the dollar pairs, right? They don't, they'll go short together and sometimes go long together. So, all right. So HKD JPY short in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. Support is here. So pound yen, nothing here. All right. Lower risk reward. All right. Support is here. Here is the sell short signal right here. That's it. That's it. Euro yen, same thing. But as soon as I say that, guess what? They'll break through that support. Sell short signal is here. Here's support here. All right. We don't have any good risk reward. Same thing for the Swiss yen. So there's a good chance, guys, that they can find support here. Market moves higher, and all of a sudden, right, they're consolidating and then moving higher again. That's the concern with these yen pairs. CAD yen. But if the market comes, if sellers come in tomorrow and next week, they could break through all these support levels. CAD yen, sell short signal here. Look at that here. But again, the market's down 800 points tomorrow, 600 points, 500 points. Just break through this support. Okay. So that's the thing. All right. Aussie yen, no sell short signal yet. Okay. All right, guys. I wish we had more good news. It is what it is. All right. So we have two shorts, dollar yen here. All right. Dollar yen here. We have a better target here. And if the dollar continues to move lower, that will help the dollar yen. Support is all the way down here. And HKD JPY right here. All right. So these are better risk reward support. You might find support here, but real support down here. All right. So difficult market. If you guys need assistance, just let me know. I know it's a challenging market right now. So if you need help with anything, need help looking at any of your charts, just send me your charts and we'll analyze them. Okay. Tough market. Trade lightly. All right. It's just what it is right now. We'll keep an eye on the dollar index here. Okay. This will tell us a lot right here. Okay. So if that dollar index continues, looks like it's failing resistance here, right? And if it breaks down, then we'll see more, right? Better movement. Okay. But they're holding it here. But that white candle today, that's a concern. Okay. And currently it's down. All right. And indexes, E-minis are up right now. So, okay. All right, guys. I will see everyone on Sunday. On Sunday, our beginners class will be on Saturday for our beginning traders. And our traders, monster traders, will have roundtable, all right, tomorrow for only half an hour. All right, guys, take care. Be careful. Trade lightly right now, okay? Now is not the time to go heavy. And be flexible, okay? So if you're trading, things turn around, just get out. Look for the next setup, okay? Because they're not breaking out. They're not breaking out. Okay. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. I mean, Sunday. All right. Take care. Bye bye.